Good morning and welcome. This is Gilly Cube. I'm here in Queensland, Australia. I'm doing a double canvas sandwich. So it's just quickly coating both canvases with white paint. And I have my colours already pre-mixed in these little bottles. And I'm kind of going to do like a posy of flowers design. So it's just using some lovely colours, magenta. I think I've got magenta, teal, turquoise. I think I've got a gold in there. And I know it was just minimal colours that I use, and this Berry Delicious. So let's see how we go with just pouring these paints in this kind of fashion and then canvas sandwiching them.
I just wanna see the same things you can see, understand the meaning on a new degree. Maybe that could happen when you're next to me. I just wanna see the same things you can see. Wanna go out on a walk with you. Could be 20 minutes or an hour or two. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. I just wanna go out on a walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk.
After you've pressed it, all the paint down, and as you know, I did a turnover. Yeah, wow. That could almost be a butterfly too, but yeah, it was kind of meant to be like a posy of flowers, but love it. I love those colours. The actual My Berry Delicious looks quite brown there, but it is quite dark berry. So just doing a very few balloon kisses strategically where I feel they need to be, so it looks like that definite effect of a bunch of flowers in there. So they're a nice little canvas that you can either gift or sell. It's quite a lovely little pastime doing these very, very easy acrylic fluid art techniques. So what do you guys think? I was basically colour testing as well here, but I think that Berry Delicious needs to go more berry, definitely more berry. So very happy with that. You guys let me know what you think, but watch on for the end results and for more bonus videos. Dingo, how nice is that? Wow. Oh, that's beautiful. Love it, love it. That's a double canvas dip. I love the effects in it. Even how that sort of, the white has gone and that green there. That is beaut, super duper. Love it, love it, love it. So there you go, easy home art project that any level can do. You don't have to be an artist for sure. So just love it. Colours perfect. That looks like brownie colour, but it's actually that very delicious dark. Maybe I've gone too burgundy on it, or too yeah, too dark, but it's got a shimmer in it, so I'm wondering if I put any gold or something in it. Maybe it's the gold that I put on the canvas. But really hope you enjoyed that one. Have a go at it. Remember, it's only paint, so your art, your rules, your way. Just take it easy and enjoy the process. So until tomorrow, my lovelies, please take care of yourself. Bye for now.
Sailing over pavement with our two elbows. I like to see the shape you're in from time to time. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine. I just wanna see the same things you can see. Understand the meaning on a new degree. Maybe that could happen when you're next to me. I just wanna see the same things you can see. I wanna go out on a walk with you. Could be 20 minutes or an hour or two. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. I just wanna go out on a walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk. I just wanna go out and walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you.